Hello and welcome to today's video all about hair, featuring the speeders, a weirdo, a fire hazard, and of course random dance moves. Hello internet! So in today's video I'm going to show you how I do the Ariana Grande celebrity kind of high ponytail, or low, I guess you can do both, but kind of how I did it in my first video ever, throwback. Back then I didn't do it with extensions, so now I have the right kind from insert name here. Got this ponytail extension as a Christmas gift. I have wanted this for such a long time. Here she is in all her very long glory. So this is the Ariana ponytail. It's 30 inches, if I remember correctly. I don't know inches. She is in the color mixed brown. I don't know why I took it out, because I haven't even done anything to my hair yet, so that was kind of dumb. But anyway, you have to brush them like before putting them on and after using them. It's one heck of a process because it's so long and very thick. There is a lot of hair, and I'm trying to be very careful and gentle with it. I feel like I can't always get all of the tangles. This much hair does get tangled. So now let's focus on my hair. Right now I have it in this fabulous style. It's awful. Isn't it great that we're not doing a hair tutorial right now? So for this kind of sleek ponytail, a lot of people prefer to have their like second day hair. So it's kind of a little greasy. And I am one of those people. I rarely do this with like freshly washed hair. Although mine right now is definitely a lot more than just second day. Online school got me like. As with the ponytail, it's good to brush your hair through first. What was that? Brush. I slept in a bun on top of my head. My hair doesn't like to cooperate, so this kind of helps. Ariana wears all of her hair in a ponytail a lot, but I hate my forehead. It just looks weird on me. Prefer to have my grown out bangs as side bangs. And without wasting any time, because I never do that, patience is really the key here. If you want it to be sleek and smooth and all that good stuff, you have to brush it through a lot of times. Just keep working at it. Now I have like the basic ponytail. It's about at the point where I want it to be. This is always a fabulous step. Now, actually, should I put on this before doing this? This is basically like a leave-in conditioner, and I feel like it really helps with my hair since the ponytail is kind of rough on it. Do it anyway because it looks nice. This is kind of hard if you're doing it by yourself. Obviously, like Ariana and these celebrities have it done professionally by like almost a team of people. I'm just out here DIYing it. I like to go over and around my whole head. Once it's in there, I'm going to start kind of like spreading it with a denser brush. Still don't know if that's a word. So here's my old friend from the first video that I did, and she has returned once again to help me get this kind of straighter and smoother, and I'm saying those words a lot, but that's kind of like the only way I can describe this type of ponytail. So I have now gotten a arm workout and the ponytail in place. So this time it actually took me only like 4 minutes after I filmed the last clip. I'm guessing it's because of the bun and because my hair is so far from second day hair. It's embarrassing hair. It also helps to kind of like lean forward like this, because you have gravity as your friend then. As for now, we're gonna tie it. I recommend using 2 hair ties instead of 1. This is a very important step, obviously, because what else is gonna hold your hair up? But like, to get it as tight as possible. You can always like take it off and go around and rearrange it, but I prefer not to do that because I like watching stupid videos instead of struggling with hair ties. So now I'm going to do what I was supposed to do before. I'm just gonna lather my ends. Some people manage to do this whole extension thing with like just a ponytail, but I find that I always have to do a bun, else the extensions will just fall out, and we don't want that. Now for the part that gets me excited. I would really like to do like some feathering. It looks kind of bulky at the ends. I don't really vibe with that. Kind of scared to start cutting it by myself. Like, I know that I can do it, but I'm hoping if I take good care of this girl, then she will be with me for a long time. It's also like a lot of hair, so it's gonna hurt, especially if you're not used to having that kind of weight on your head. I've kind of gotten used to it and it doesn't hurt as much anymore. Now that there is also some added weight, just kind of needs some getting used to. That is also partly the reason why I would like to kind of trim the ends. Not to shorten it, but to get more of like a natural look. As natural as a high-ass ponytail can be. It has this Velcro fastening and this little piece that is going to cover the Velcro and wrap around. On the inside there is this lace that basically holds everything together and a little clasp, and that is what is going to kind of hook on to this base. So here is the clasp, and trying to just push it in under 2 hair ties. This part is kind of tricky because the Velcro likes to stick to my own hair and the extensions. Try to be careful because that really hurts if it grabs onto your hair. I'll take this piece and try and... Then you have to get the 2 ends of the Velcro to meet. This is something that, like, once you do it more and more, you're gonna get better at it. Whew. We basically have everything on the head, but then there's still this piece left, which is going to wrap around all of that. I brushed this out too. I guess you would usually use like hairspray or gel to keep this in place. I find that I really don't need it because it's already got kind of like that curl that just adjusts to my hair. The ponytail also came with 2 bobby pins, which I really appreciate because apparently all of mine suck. They aren't really capable of holding this in place. So these are like big and juicy ones. And there you have it basically. You could like go in and fill in your roots. I at least have like these bald spots here with some like eyeshadow that matches your natural color. Go in and fill in wherever it looks like you're balding basically. And now you only have one more step left to feel like a queen and have a private Ariana Grande concert in your bedroom? How obsessed with Ariana are you? Well, sorry, I forgot you were here. So, thank you so much for watching and subscribe! My pants don't fit.